Hey ladies and gents, Anthony Speciale here. I want to kind of give you a walkthrough of what my life looked like before I became a successful trader. See, I worked 6-7 days a week. I worked early mornings, I worked late nights, I worked weekends. I pumped gas, I fixed cars, I plowed snow, I had a tow truck business, we had a used car business. It was quite an operation for quite some time, but I really don't want to take credit for it because my dad built this business and he is the legacy that I was fortunate enough to live through. He started this business in 1976 out of my grandparents' garage here in a little town in northern New Jersey called Montville Township. And this company is now going on, gosh, we're gonna be 47 years old this upcoming year. We have successfully survived just about everything that could be thrown at us. But I wanna tell you a little bit about where I came from. You're in my shop right now. You can see this is what we started off with, just two simple little bays. We ended up putting up an addition in the back. Now, we ran a successful business. I still run a successful business, but I knew that if I continued down this path, I would live the life my father did. Now listen, he didn't live a bad life, but he worked, and he worked hard. Not that I'm afraid of work, but I wanted freedom. I wanted freedom to enjoy my wife. I wanted freedom to enjoy our life together. I wanted freedom to travel. I wanted freedom to be able to enjoy my niece and my sisters and their families and our friends and everything else. And I just knew I could go down the path of working 7+ days a week around the clock, or I could learn to trade. And learning to trade has afforded me the opportunity to live a fruitful life. I come to the shop every day. I have coffee with my business partner every single morning. There is not a day that goes by that I don't come here. You know why I come here? Because it refreshes my mind of where my roots came from. My dad starting in my grandparents' garage with a small toolbox and a couple $100. Listen, I will never forget my humble beginnings. I love where I come from. I love what I've done with my life. And I love the path that I'm on now. I have the opportunity to earn 6+ figures every year in the stock market. And I have the greatest job in the world. That's teaching folks how to do exactly the same. So if you'd like to learn more, if you'd like to join me on this journey to finding success in whatever capacity that means to you, for me it was freedom, I encourage you to click the link that surrounds this video. Join me on your journey and we will have fun together. We will seek freedom together. We will grow together and we will prosper together. Anthony Speciale, signing out.